In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how Management Studio captures the information that's essential to your transformation program. Hi, I'm Matt from Management Studio, and we create software that lets organisations manage large and complex transformation programs. Now, if you're about to embark on a transformation, the first thing that you'll want to do is baseline your existing environment. This lets you understand where you are today and how that relates to your target platform. Management Studio seamlessly integrates with systems that you've already got, like Microsoft Active Directory, Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager, and Lakeside SysTrack, and we automatically collect information that's relevant to the transformation. We then combine that with information from other sources like HR or even end users themselves to create a contextual view that is specific to this project. And what's more, we track this information and update it every time it changes to ensure that everybody is using the latest and most relevant data set. So this sounds great. Let's see how it looks in the tool. And here we are in Management Studio. I'm connected to Active Directory to bring in information about our users. I'm using Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager to bring in information about the devices, hardware information, applications, and utilization. And I've also brought in information about the user's location and department from an HR import. These principles apply to all the modules within Management Studio, but I've chosen users just for this example. So I'm going to choose George Andrews, and straight away we can see lots of information that's relevant to George's migration. Over on the left, we've got George's AD account and his domain. We've got his full name, contact information, office location, and employee ID. All this information has come from Active Directory. If I scroll down and look at the blueprint section, I can see that George is based in the Leeds office and works in the business analytics team. This has come from the HR import that I've done. If I look in the Apps tab, I can see all the applications that George has access to, and this has come from our inventory system, Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager. If I move across to devices, I can see that George is using 2 machines, and likewise, this information has also come from Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager. So this should give you a good idea of the type of information that we automatically bring in from other systems. But what about when we need to involve users and collect a little bit more information directly from them? Well, we use web surveys, which can be accessed through any web browser or incredibly simple for users to complete. If you want to learn more about how we use surveys within Management Studio, don't forget to check out the video on communications that we've got. In this particular example, you can see that we're bringing in information directly from Management Studio. We've got George's personal details and his office location. I'm just going to change his office to Manchester, and as part of that, we've got a change of role as well. George no longer needs this PC, and because he's got a new job, let's get rid of the Realtek camera application and submit this information directly back into Management Studio. So let's take a look at George's record, and we can see that the change of department and location has been updated, and he no longer has access to the camera application. Likewise, George has only got access to one device. So that gives you a good overview of capturing data within Management Studio. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out how we control information within Management Studio and how we can communicate and collaborate with the users and other team members. I'm Matt Walker, thanks for watching.